What's up, everyone? Been actually, fuck this. Fuck this. Okay, so we are back. Been like, I don't know, week and a half, 2 weeks. I don't know. Been super busy, which is good and bad. But being a one-man show, everything else, just I haven't had time. So progress though. So let's take a look. We got the M. Bunch of progress here. Got a lot of bars going on. Carbon dash action. Look at this. Look at it. Would you look at this? Got some. Damn. Damn. Tons of cool stuff. Look at that parachute. Awesome. However, there's good news, real good news. We got, bam, some wheels. I'm really super excited to have a set of these. They're gonna look super good till way down the road. I figure out a turbofan setup. I'm gonna do a custom front, but that's like the last on the list of a million and one things that need to get done. So what we're gonna do, get these things unboxed, get it all ready. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna shoot across the street. My boy Gabe's gonna hook it up, throw these bad boys on, and then we can do an actual test fit. Gotta replace the hubs up front as well. But yeah, super excited. So I'm gonna get to unboxing. Actually, we're gonna do one of those cool cut-in, you know? So I'm just gonna be like this. And this is what we got. You know, but it's gonna go this time. Woo! Look at these things. Yeah. Look at that. Hold on. Hold on. Damn. Look at that. Woo! Deep. This thing. I love these wheels. So much. So much. Anything concave is just so sick. So these are 18 by 10 and a half for everyone's gonna ask. 5 by 120, of course. So perfect BMW spec, especially for what we're doing. But these things are just gonna look so good. I think I got a spare set of tires up there somewhere for them. But yeah, I'm super hyped. Like, look at this. I'm gonna have to talk to the boys, see if I could get a red set of center caps, you know, fix that a little bit. You know, just match all the little deets. Get the, you know, get some red popping throughout this thing for the time being. But yeah, I'm super hyped. Okay, didn't do the hubs yet. Just kind of winged it. But damn. Look at this thing. Yeah, these are fresh. Fresh. You guys don't even understand. Look at this. Look at this meat. Wheels under 10 shouldn't even exist. I'm gonna say that right now. Just big wheels and up. All just fat wheels. That's the only thing allowed here from now on. But yeah, this is gonna be, it's gonna be sick tomorrow morning. First thing, tires mounted. Let's go. Let's go. And we're back. This time, joined with my boy.
Howdy.
PZ Motorsports, everyone knows him. We just got done crushing some pizza. Well, he had like 2 slices, I ate a whole pie. But anyway, we're not gonna get into that. We're gonna get back, mounting these tires, go do some installs, install the hubs, do this, do that. Maybe we'll even uninstall all the rear stuff and get this thing rolling today. So we're gonna get at it. Keep watching.
Dad wants to civet. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Uh-oh, get it. Come on now, son. Yeehaw. So everyone, this is Gabe. Gabe's the wheel and tire expert.
Yeah. Do you have TPMS sensors?
No.
No?
What kind of question is that?
Well, you don't have valve stems. So.
I know. We need them. You're the. I thought you were the plug. I thought you was the plug.
You didn't use the machine to fix that. I'm calling OSHA.
This is the fanciest tire machine in all the land. For the people who don't know.
Dirty as hell. $50,000.
He's all fucked up.
Shit, it's just not fucked up.
Yo, it's the camera.
Come on, man.
It's the camera. Hold on, we ain't gonna do you like that. We're totally gonna do you like that.
He's only used to the camera when he's naked.
Is that it?
You see my videos?
Is that a snap-on tire puller? Yeah?
Come on,
Strap on.
only the best.
It's snap-on? Who are you flexing on out here so hard with a snap-on tire puller? Can't you do one of those cool videos where you just throw it at the rim and it just like... Or is that just professional, like, shops? You know what I'm talking. You know what I'm talking about, where they go like, huh.
Yeah, I could do that, but
Yeah, that's like 15-inch
I don't feel like
wheels.
fucking trying to squeeze this thing on there. It's a lot easier to do
This, well, it's like super cool for the video. You know, the gram. Have you heard of the gram?
I've heard of the gram.
Yeah.
Miles going through a shop.
Now your screen's dirty.
We did good. Watch my nuts.
That was a money shot right
We're good. We did good.
You missed.
Hell yeah! Look at this. Look at this glow.
Look at these fucking thick boys.
Look at these thick boys. Yo, what's wrong? Oh,
Oh,
come
the
on.
face! The face!
Come on. Why you gotta play like that? That's messed up. We back. We're back. So, my boy PZ. We're touching up these tires a little bit.
That's not how you do it. Give me that.
No,
Give me that.
No, I know how you.
Give me that.
I know how you're gonna. Oh, here
You
we
ready
go.
for this?
Here, we'll get the action.
Ooh!
Oh, you're not bad, bro. You're kind of sick with it.
Like that? Look at this fucking... This Picasso tire shot.
You're in the wrong business.
Seriously?
Why can't you spray paint like that?
Yo, I cannot paint. I'm the only Pollock that can't paint.
Now we got our brand new hubs. Look at these things.
I don't want to strip him.
Do not strip them.
Dude.
All right, hit it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're
Like butter.
having a great time here.
Having a great time.
Great time, but it's coming.
Only.
The old studs. The old studs on the new hubs. You know what I'm saying?
Why do you do that? Why?
Why? So then that way, for us lazy people, we can just toss a wheel on there and it doesn't go anywhere. I don't know why, but Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, they're like, no, you gotta struggle. You gotta struggle to put wheels on. Okay, hubs are on, tires are on, wheels are on. Bam. We just gotta adjust the coils a little bit.
Man, we're drifting this thing.
I like how that one wheel stayed completely straight because there's no rack.
That's the new style.
Hit the other angle. Do we got more angle the other way? Oh yeah, look at that.
All the angle.
Oh, the angle. Drift car. Yeah. I mean, it's not a lot of angle. Sick. But yeah, they look good. So we're just gonna lower or raise this a little bit. We're gonna raise the coil. Lower the tire, raise the coil. So we're gonna adjust this a little bit, get it ready to sit back on the ground and actually clear a fender. And then we're gonna do the rear stuff. Yeah! Okay, after some figuring out, we got these back on. We got some nice Megan racing arms. Yeah, She's installed. I think we got it installed right. I don't know. Looks good. I approve.
It's legit.
It's legitness.
It's legitness.
So, yeah, super hyped. Now we can actually throw a wheel back on this side. We're gonna do the same thing to the other. I didn't care to film it because it's kind of just putting arms on and we don't know what we're doing.
Oh, why'd you have to tell him that?
Well, we don't. That's what happens when you put all the parts in one bag.
The mystery.
And then it sits for 2 years. So it's like, I labeled it like, I was like, oh, rear arms. Sick, I can't confuse these. And then sure enough, we're like, where the hell does this go?
Might have to go to Home Depot. Oh, yeah.
Okay, we got this one on. That one's in the process of going on. PZ lost a nut, so we're freaking out.
Gave me the wrong fucking nut.
He lost a nut. But yeah, looks sick. We should have this thing back on the ground a little bit.
Yeah, I like it.
What's the T word that this thing looks like?
Thick. It's an F word.
It's an F word?
Thick.
Thick. Say it for the camera.
No,
Pronounce.
fuck off.
But yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's pretty crazy. So here we is, back on the ground. Look at this thing.
It's a he?
Here we is. Not he. We. Damn. Thick. Thick. With an F. Here's these new bad Johnnies. Bad Larrys, whatever you want to call them. Bad boys. Look at this thing. Yo, we're rolling. Look at it.
I like it.
Peeping out. So sick. We still gotta finalize some cage work, but all the main stuff's fabbed and tacked and leveled, and we can just build everything else off everything. So only a couple more bars and then door bars, but I'm waiting on those. Yeah, this thing looks so nuts. Damn. What's your opinion?
I like it. I like the fact that it's actually rolling.
Yeah.
It looks so much better on the fucking floor. On the wheels.
Dude, it's been on jack stands
Most of its life.
most of its life. Seriously. It's been non-running more than the car was ever running. Possibly ever. That's it for this one. You guys got to see a little bit of updates. I'm going to try and do better this week on all the vlogging, all the nonsense, now that all the craziness is kind of done. So I'm going to try my best, but PZ, say anything? He's out.
Deuces.
I'm out. Catch you guys on the next one.